Hello, tech enthusiast. You've come to the right place. At Tech, we analyze everything that's coming onto the market, the latest and greatest in technology. The Nokia Drone Phone 5G 2026 is a groundbreaking concept that merges high-end mobile technology with aerial photography. Positioned as a disruptor in the premium smartphone market, this device features an integrated mini-drone, aiming to redefine how users capture and experience visual content. Key specifications and features. Aviation innovation. The standout feature is a built-in detachable drone camera capable of capturing aerial perspectives. This system is supported by AI to optimize image stability, detail, and quality in real time. Display and design. The device boasts a 6.8-inch AMOLED Quad HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate. Its futuristic, ergonomic design discreetly houses the drone module without compromising its premium aesthetic. Hardware performance. Powered by a next-generation processor and up to 16 GB of RAM, the phone is built for intensive multitasking and high-speed data processing. It offers storage options up to 1 TB. Connectivity and battery. Full 5G integration ensures seamless live streaming from the drone. The device includes a high-capacity battery with an intelligent management system and fast-charging capabilities to support both smartphone and drone operations. Software. Running on an optimized version of Android, the interface includes dedicated tools for drone flight control and enhanced security protocols. Market positioning. Nokia targets the premium segment with this model, focusing on creative professionals and tech enthusiasts. Industry experts view the Nokia Drone Phone 5G as a potential trendsetter that could shift the paradigm of mobile photography and personal drone integration. The Nokia Drone Phone 5G 2026 represents a bold leap in mobile innovation. By combining powerful hardware with unique aerial capabilities, Nokia reaffirms its commitment to futuristic technology, offering a device that stands unrivaled in the current smartphone landscape. If you like being at the forefront, subscribe and join our community. Activate the bell and don't miss a single update.